G'day team, let's talk about brainstorming. It's another tip from the book, Get Back an Hour in Every Day. So brainstorming, why would you brainstorm to be productive? Well, what you're doing is getting all the ideas out of your head down onto paper. You're generating ideas. You're getting anything, crazy ideas, sensible ideas. You can't filter it. You've just got to get it all out. Even the craziest ideas are worth it. And you can do it on your own. You can do it with other people. You get a whiteboard and do it on the whiteboard. Or you do a flip chart and do it on a flip chart. Or you get a large sheet of paper. You can do a small sheet of paper. But brainstorm. There is no such thing as a silly idea. And what you end up doing is you end up with inventive ideas and inventive solutions to the possible challenges you have, and it will get you unstuck. I'll let you in on a little secret. There was a time way back when we did a brainstorming and we came up with the most ridiculous idea, and it was that one ridiculous idea that was then tweaked that created a very large marketing success. Why? Because we had a crazy idea. So where can you brainstorm for yourself to get yourself unstuck and come up with some outrageous alternatives as solutions to the challenge you have going on? All right, that's it for now. Go forward, create some success, do some brainstorming. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.